Hi guys, I'm your Japanese hairdresser. How's it going these days? Today I'm going to answer a question for everyone. I got a lot of comments. Thank you so much. I wanted to answer all questions, but I was not able to do. I'm really sorry I chose several questions. I would be happy if my opinion become a help. Let's get started. I realized they have hair troubles a lot. Hair damage, scalp, hair color, and stuff like that. Okay, first part, I start off with talking about hair damage. I will read a comment. I have dyed my hair many times and it is very dry and damaged. And I bleach my hair very often. Could you please advise some nice product for maintaining healthy hair? Okay, thank you for asking me. Of course, I know how to fix dry hair and why hair become dry hair and damaged hairs. Okay, I will explain the reason. In my opinion, I recommend that you should use shampoo include when you got the hair color by yourself, your hair has been taken damage by alkali. Basically, a hair don't need alkali usually. Your hair is weak, acidic, right? Of course, when we give a hair color to customers, we use hair color include alkali. But we have to get hair back to weak, acidic. You have to eliminate alkaline from your hair. Hemorrhaging is able to eliminate alkali. By the way, let's check pH, a couple of things. If you have no hemorrhaging shampoo, you can use citric acid. It dissolves in water. Citric acid is not able to eliminate by alkali, but it is able to get hair back to weak acidic. If I were you, I would use before daily treatment. Therefore, when you get the hair color by yourself, and keep doing 4 or 3 times a week. By the way, is this only a Japanese way of thinking? Of course, we have different hair type. If you're interested in this way, you can try it. Okay, next part, hair loss. What do you recommend for hair loss? I am a woman and I have been suffering from hair loss currently. If I were you, I would take a supplement related to hair loss solving. I've heard the supplement's name Pantoga made in Germany. I think taking is the supplements the better. Check it. I also take a medicine mixing it bad. I hope that you will get a good hair life. Thank you for asking me. Scalp. My hair gets bristly quickly. Do you have any tips for teens? I guess your shampoo doesn't go with your scalp. Why don't you use more mild shampoo than usual? Don't wash your hair too much because if you wash your hair many times, your skin oil gone. So your skin oil overproduce sebum. These are my opinion. Okay, next questions. I have a dry scalp. What would you recommend to fix it or make it better? With that in my mind, should I change my shampoo often? Hi Monica, long time no see. You have dry scalp? Your shampoo doesn't go with your scalp. You don't need to change your shampoo often, but you should find shampoo which go with your skin. Like this. Thank you for asking me. Have a try. Okay, next about hairstyle. Do you recommend to hide chubby cheeks, especially for curly hair? You might as well gather attention to another hair part. I mean, you don't hide them. If you hide chubby cheeks using hair, it will stand out. I think you have bangs. I saw your profile. Why don't you get highlight to bangs? Making volume of top section is also better. Example. How about try? Okay, next part about me. What kind of music do you listen to? What is it like having a lot of tattoos in Japan? From Alex. Hi Alex, how's it going? I listen to pops. Recently, I'm into Unknown-kun. He make good music using English. Regarding the tattoo in Japan, I always got a price tag. It's tough. Thank you for asking me. Have a nice day. Can you show us your tattoos? I have a lot of tattoos. I was gonna get Cat Samurai, but my tattoo artist catch a cold. Oh, I'm so sad. Also, why did you want to become a hairstylist? When I was 18 years old, I started beautician in Tokyo. Starting beautician was a Japanese drama. When I was a kid, drama broadcasted in Japan. It was a 3D drama. When I saw that, I really thought, so cool, I want to be a beautician. Then I decided to become a beautician after graduate high school. Okay, next questions. What haircut you've done are you most proud of so far? From Jupiter. Thank you for asking me. That's a tough question. 1 week ago, my customer said to me, I wish I had met you earlier in my life. Words impressed me. I was deeply moved. My skills helped my customer to become a beautiful woman. I'm proud of my effort. Does it make sense? Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for commenting me. I hope you will get a good hair life. Have a nice day.パンツ何色？何を履いてんだ俺今。あ、
Good.